Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can erase contact and call logs stored on your Android. So there is two methods here. The first method, you can access phone and contact manually. You can delete one by one, or you can select all to delete. But there is a quick way. You can go to the settings and you can tap on additional settings. Here you can access backup and reset. You can tap it again, tap again the erase all data. Here we go. You can erase contact and call log stored on this phone. Just one tap, contact stored on the SIM card will be retained, and enter lock screen password, and now all your contact and call logs will be erased. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.